Today we will do some questions. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travel in the same direction at different speeds, their speeds are different. They meet in 5 hours. If they travel toward each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of this car? Suppose speed of car A is x km per hour and speed of car B is y km per hour. Here condition will be x is greater than y. Speed of the car A will be greater than the speed of car B, then only the car A will meet to car B, and distance between these two car is 100 car A and car B. Speed of car A we suppose x km per hour and speed of car B we suppose y km per hour. Now distance between car A and B is 100 km. And look here, what is the first condition? First condition, if they travel in the same direction, if travel in same direction, they meet in 5 hours. Meet in 5 hours. So time is here 5 hours. So you can say they travel in a same direction, they meet here at C point, they will meet. So from A to C, the distance will be distance covered by car A, by A equal to AC distance. AC distance will be covered by car A. So that distance will be 5 hours they take time, and speed is x, so 5x meter. Similarly, distance covered by B equal to BC, and that will be equal to 5y kilometer. Now the distance AB is given to you. Distance AB is given to you. The distance AB you can write AC minus BC. AC minus BC you can write. Distance AB you can write AB equal to, this is AB equal to, you can write. So AC is 5x minus 5y equal to 100, and you can divide by 5. So you can get x minus y 20. This is equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, we will do the second part. If they travel in opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. In 1 hour they will meet. Look here, if these two cars travel in opposite direction means this car A will be transfer this, go this side, car B is here, travel in this side, they will meet here, anywhere one point will be here, they will meet here, and that point is C point. The distance between car A and B is 100 km. Okay, that is given to you. Now they meet in 1 hour, so you can check that distance covered by car A, distance covered by car A equal to 1 hour speed is x kilometer. So 1 hour means x means 1x. Okay, 1x kilometer. Then distance covered by car B equal to 1y kilometer. This distance is x and second distance is y. So this AB distance you can write AC plus BC, that is equal to AC. Means 1x plus 1y equal to 100. Means you have x plus y equal to 100. This is equation number 2. Here this first equation x minus y equal to 20. So 20 you transfer in left hand side, you get x minus y minus 20 equal to 0. That second equation, x plus y equal to 100. 100 you can transfer to left hand side, you get x plus y minus 100 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. These two equations you have to solve by the cross method. So in cross method you have to check first that a1 upon a2 should not equal to b1 upon b2. That is here 1 upon 1 and here is not equal to 1 upon minus 1. So that is true. This is not equal. Now you can write from here, this is 1 1 1 1. You will start from the middle, 1 minus 1, then minus 100 minus 20, then 1 1, then 1 and minus 1. Now you write x, y and 1, cross multiply. Now x upon, you can mark the bracket, y upon, you can mark the brackets, 1 upon, you can mark the brackets. Okay. Now x upon you have minus 20. These two you multiply minus 20. Then you multiply these, you have 100. These you multiply 100. These you multiply minus 100. These you multiply minus 20. Multiply these minus 1. Multiply these 1. Now you get x upon minus 120. Y upon minus minus plus minus 80. And 1 upon this is minus. Now you take first and third. When you take first and third, you get x upon minus 120 equal to 1 upon minus 2. You can multiply these minus 120 upon minus 2, that is x equal to 60. Similarly, you take second and third. Second and third. Second is y upon minus 80 equal to 1 upon minus 2, y equal to minus 80 upon minus 2, so y equal to 40. Now what is x? X is speed of car A. Speed of car A equal to 60 km per hour and speed of car B equal to 40 km per hour. 40 km per hour. So look here, we have to find the speed of cars only. So hope you understand this solution. Here is one correction. Place of AC you will change AB. Place of AC you write AB. Place of AC you write AB.